Hi, my friend. Today, I'd like to share with you a simple yet powerful automated tool which gives exact entry and exit that I personally use to generate massive profit for myself. You don't require any trading experience, you don't require any technical and fundamental analysis. This tool will give you exact buy and sell signals. Well, as you know, forex trading can be very frustrating and stressful sometimes. I know. I can fully comprehend your frustration and how you feel because I've been there countless number of times before. If you find yourself struggling, it's most likely because you didn't take the right first step. Let me give you a little background information about myself. I'm an international investment coach with more than 10,000 students worldwide. In the past 10 years, I've been trading forex profitably, and I've been interviewed by Bloomberg, BBC, Channel News Asia, etc. More importantly, I've been dedicating myself to help traders like you to succeed in forex trading. Recently, I've condensed my 10-year profitable trading experience and created a powerful trading tool. As I said at the beginning, a small private group of my students and I have been using this automated tool to generate massive profits. Today, you will discover this brand new tool that was previously available only to a small private group of my students and myself. Today, you'll be getting the best automated tool and only the best. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, do you feel like you've been missing out on any opportunities to place your profitable trades due to unforeseen circumstances? For example, you're not in front of a computer when there's a trade opportunity, and also the forex signal service you're subscribing to were constantly arriving late at your email inbox for you to take the relevant action. Does it sound familiar? But I have some good news. Now, here's your chance to use the exact same tool that helped me profit from this ever-changing forex market that is growing at an exponential speed. We want you to reap these amazing benefits using the same strategy our students have applied. Not only will you double your income, but your income will start to multiply many folds. It does not require you to analyze the market, so no trading experience is required. It works at any time of the day and night. It works on any time frame: minute chart, hourly chart, daily and weekly chart. It can be easily set up within 2 minutes. Just download and click the install button. Best of all, it works with all currency pairs. And not forgetting, it also works on stocks, indices, and commodities as well. Lastly, you don't have to make your own decisions anymore. The system will indicate to you when to enter the trade and when to exit and take your profit. How's that? I know this may sound too easy and too good to be true. However, let me share with you the 3 top reasons why I believe simple strategies works better when it comes to trading. Number 1, using a simple indicator like buying or selling in a powerful, unique way can provide the right information to make good trading decisions. Using too many indicators is too confusing and can be misleading at times. With the right indicators, you can trade more likely with discipline and confidence. Now, today could be the turning point in your life you've been waiting for. That is, if you're prepared to do what it takes to get to where you want to be. After all, if you're visiting this webpage today, then my guess is that something is missing in your trading career, or you could either be exploring for more options.